Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Binance CEO, CZ, he plans to give away the vast majority of his wealth. The second thing I would like to talk about is that the Bitcoin holders who bought Bitcoin at 20K refused to sell at all-time highs, the latest data shows. And we have another interesting one. This is that the iconic Staples Center in Los Angeles is going to be renamed Crypto.com Arena. And they have paid a lot of money for this rename. It's an iconic stadium. So let's talk about that. Guys, all this in today's video. And if you would like to get the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every weekday I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Okay, so simply subscribe, bell button, and hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Don't forget to check out the links under this video. You know, when you register to centralized exchanges, just like Binance, Coinbase, FTX, you will get nice discounts from your transaction fees when using the links below. And also there's a free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And now, when we're looking at the market, let's zoom in a little bit. We can see that Bitcoin is still under 60K, which is 59,752. Well, still going sideways, as you can see here, the percentage in the last 24 hours. Ethereum just doing pretty much the same, 1.5% up, 4,252 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see that Wager token, it's up 40%, Crypto.com 30%, Odious 20%, Sandbox 16%. So look, we have a couple of good ones. Why Bitcoin doing the sideways movements? And when we're looking at the losers, we see Airwave 9% down, Loopring 9% down, and LifePeer 8%. It's keep going down. Okay, let's look at the Bitcoin candlestick chart. You know, we have here our nice correction, which started on the 15th of November. The bottom was somewhere here at 58,000 something, and now it did came back, and now as you can see, it's holding its level, this kind of around 60. It might can continue to go down, you know, 58 could be the next one. We haven't reached this. Now this is which was the support for us. Yes, it broke through. It's always like this. It's not exactly always touching the line, but we haven't visited 58K, which is you know, in a massive support level. If we continue like this, you can see here, you know, around here, around very similar, around 58. And definitely this one, it did come down to 58. So yes, we have met this 58 couple of times, and well, not yet. So we will see which way we're going. Right now, sideways movements are usually good for alts. So this is why when actually today, things looking actually much better, and we haven't seen a further drop yet. Well, we will see which way we continue, or it is just like holding now and then breaking out. You know, when sideways movements is on, we have to wait, and then we see which way the next move will happen. Right. Okay, and now let's move to the first news that Binance, Binance CEO CZ says he plans to give away the vast majority of his wealth. Okay, so many rich people have done that already. If you remember, Mark Zuckerberg, he also gave away a big chunk of his wealth. And now we have from the crypto world, CZ, you know, who is the CEO of Binance. And this headline is all about that he plans to give away the vast majority of its wealth. So let's dig a little bit into it. So personally, this is what he's saying, I'm financially free. I don't need a lot of money, and I can maintain my lifestyle in this way. I do intend to give away most of my wealth, like many wealthy entrepreneurs or founders did from, John D. Rockefeller until today. I do intend to give away 90, 95, or 99% of my wealth. This is what he said. So also CZ said that he doesn't do much personal investing. He purchased some Bitcoin in 2014 and he said he has held on to most of the stake. He said the majority of his net worth is in from the BNB, so Binance Coin, and that he doesn't personally own equity in any other projects, crypto or non-crypto, to avoid potential conflicts of interest. Forbes has also estimated Zhao's wealth at 1.9 billion US dollar, but he's likely to worth significantly more, given that the Binance largest shareholder, so he's the Binance largest shareholder. So the Wall Street Journal recently reported that the former Binance executive thinks that the company could be worth as much as 300 billion if it were to go public. So yes, we have seen so many people, the big rich guys, when they, it's interesting how it goes. People usually go to collect money. They would like to get richer and richer and richer. But there is a point what you reach, and I'm talking about the extremely rich people, when you realize that actually it doesn't matter you have more or you have a little something less, because the lifestyle what you're living, and it's depending on your lifestyle, how you're spending, it's probably your money will last for many generations. And then the whole point, what it is, shall we just sit on it and not do anything, or put it in work? Actually give away to organizations, to charities, to people. With that money, we actually can make more, and not necessarily more money, make more which is useful for the world. And I think this is a very clever thinking. And I think it's really no point just to showing the number that, yes, I am the richest man in the world. What you need that for? Probably not really. You do need money to live. And yes, in his case, probably it's plenty money left. What is enough for his lifestyle he would like to live. But he has accumulated that much that it's actually just pointless to sit on. And it's rather to invest in something and give away. So I think this is it's a very nice move, and this is it's something positive when he's going to really to do this. Right. Next topic is that Bitcoin holders who bought Bitcoin at 20K refuse to sell at all-time high. This is at least what the latest data shows. Well, people really who accumulating Bitcoin more and more think in a way that I rather just keep it, not sell it, not making it small profits when it can worth much more. And this trend, looks like it's growing. Here you can see that Bitcoin holders who bought at 20K refuse to sell Bitcoin at all-time highs, latest data shows. So it may be tempting to sell at 3x gains, but last November's buyers remain determined to hodl. And here you can see the hodl wave. It shows it perfectly. So hodl wave, which track the age distribution of unspent transaction outputs, this is what UTXO stands for, shows that the supply controlled by those 12 months holders has increased from 8.7% at the start of June to 21.4% as of November 17, so basically which was yesterday. So at the same time, coins held for multiple years have been decreased only slightly, highlighting that modest selling has taken place in that case. And if you can see here, I would like to zoom in. This is the color for the 3 months, the 6 months and the period, and there is like the This one is the 6 months, 12 months. So this is actually the one we're talking about. Sorry, I went one in the wrong direction. And yes, so the holder wave shows that actually they holding onto it, not selling, because many people believe that the bull market hasn't finished yet. B, if it's better to hold Bitcoin, many people think, rather than sell, if it can worth much more in years' time, and they don't want to miss out on that. I'm not saying that they selling zero. They're just saying that I'm keeping one part of it, and of course I make some profit with the other one. Or many people just simply at the peak they will sell and then buy it back. This is also a way. So I mean, depends, whatever is your style. But more and more people hodl, that's for sure. Okay, next topic is that the iconic Staples Center in Los Angeles is going to be renamed, and its new name will be Crypto.com Arena. Well, Crypto.com for sure making a lot of promotion, a lot of advertising. You can see them in Formula One and in many places appear. And now the next move is definitely a major one. Los Angeles iconic Staples Center, it's going to be renamed to Crypto.com Arena. So the Staples Center Arena in Los Angeles, known for pro basketball fans, the house that Kobe Bryant, will be renamed Crypto.com Arena on Christmas Day, the arena announced. And this is massive because everybody knows this as a Staples Center, and this is the home for Los Angeles Lakers. And to rename this, I'm pretty sure that they wanted to keep it Staples Center for a while, but just the offer from Crypto.com, it was just so generous they couldn't refuse. Look, Singapore's based crypto exchange bought the name rights from AEG for 20 years. It's massive. They would like to keep it for 20 years in this way for $700 million US. And the 700 million figure makes it one of the largest naming rights deals in sports history, according to to a newspaper, the Los Angeles Times. So guys, you can see how big money is made in crypto. They can afford this, and how serious they think about it. How serious the exchange thinks it is when they buy this for 20 years. So it will be on the arena for 20 years. That is Crypto.com Arena. So probably they have big plans, and you can see that actually Crypto.com's price is also going up very nicely. Okay, that's it for today, guys. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. Tomorrow, of course, I'm back with the freshest. I wish you an amazing day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.